So now we're going to turn our attention to faith in oneself. Now, self-faith is the belief in our own abilities, our own potential, and our own worth. It's the confidence that we can achieve our goals, overcome obstacles, and make meaningful contributions to the world around us. Self-faith is crucial for personal development as well as for success. It empowers us to take risks, embrace challenges, and persist despite failing. It nurtures resilience, helping us bounce back from setbacks and continue striving towards our aspirations. When we have faith in ourselves, we're more likely to pursue our passions, leverage our strengths, and realize our full potential. Cultivating self-faith involves self-reflection, self-acceptance, and continuous learning. It requires us to recognize our achievements, to learn from our mistakes, and to believe in our capacity for growth and improvement. By fostering self-faith, we build a foundation for a fulfilling and an empowered life. You know, having faith in others involves trust and confidence in the people around us, whether they are family, friends, colleagues, or even strangers. Faith in others is the belief in their integrity, their capabilities, as well as their goodwill. Building faith in others is essential for healthy relationships and effective collaboration. It fosters mutual respect, cooperation, as well as support. When we have faith in others, we create an environment of trust and understanding where people feel valued and empowered. This, in turn, strengthens social bonds, and it also enhances collective resilience. Now, this is what a lot of us don't like to hear, but faith in others also involves forgiveness and compassion. It means giving people the benefit of the doubt, believing in their potential for change, as well as supporting them through their own struggles. By extending our faith to others, we contribute to a more compassionate and a more cohesive community around us. Join us next week as we finish up this series on faith as we talk about the journey of faith.